Yes, my people. What I do? Big up yourself. I guess what? Today we're there and we're going to talk about Buju Banton. Buju Banton back in the States. Yeah, man. Then now we look at boardroom and go on. All our reasoning. So big up yourself, my peeps. One love all the time. Yeah, man. Buju reach United States back. How he do it? Everybody I wonder how he do it. Myself I wonder too. You can't tell. And good God can't tell and him can't tell. Yeah, man. So you go really a kind of just build back and assume. And people are this for say. People are that for say. Believe it. People have all kind of things to say. Yeah, man. Enough people are burn him out. Enough people are big him up. But what me have to come to say today, big up yourself, Buju Banton, all the time. Make sure everything alright by your journey. Yeah, man. And keep it safe. And come back in a one piece. Yeah, man. Cause we say you're rich. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. And I'm gonna let the people them. Cause we know Jamaica love you like that. Yeah, man. Well, Jamaica love you. Some love you, but them still I say other things. But no watch that. You can't watch that no people. Cause guess what? People have all kind of things to say. Me have my opinion. When me talk say, when me I say how me feel. You, it's a different man. Have to talk how him feel. Him have a different opinion. So I say go a mixed thing. We go have all kind of mixed thing, but you know, my see it is another one away, so we have to support him all the way. All the way straight through. Yeah, man. Support him straight through, you know. If him go low, that's how we know. Because guess what happen? Can't burn him and we don't know yet, I just assume. When we see what going, we will all know. Yeah, man. Everything will all drop and him wait. Yeah, man, him will drop on him on and so somewhere there. Just give support all the way. Yeah, man. And I pray, you know. Because so you go, you know. Anytime a man go up, you know. You go hear, you know. Yeah, man. Always I go hear when a man go up. You live at Jamaica. You don't know about over so. When you live at Jamaica, when a man go up. When a man go up, my board was hot, man. Yeah, man. Can't have any fun, because fun make so much noise. Leave it. Yeah, man. Yes, be real, though. Yeah, man. Real talk, man. Hard man vibes. Yeah, man. Some people go support him, man. Just like how they support any other artist. Yeah, man. Just like how they support One Killer. Just like how they support Bean Man. Support him and watch no face. Because you know, see that's how you go. For we artists, Buju Banton is a man now. A whole heap of music, whole heap of catalog. Them can use for him through them though. To Jamaica. All the great things. Yeah, man. A man like Buju, you know, them have to want him in America, you know. And if you don't get him in America, it means like a useless man. He have so much talent, and at the same time, him not nothing to do with it. Yeah, man. Enough more artists too. Even Bounty Killer likewise. Being the man. Look on Sizzler. Sizzler get back in visa and it's a great thing. And it's a great look all the time. Yeah, my people. Watch no face, man. So I go. Yes, me people. Watch no face, man. So I go, man. Support me, man. Man, I have crazy amount of music, man. Yeah, man, like we gather back by him, man, and show him, you know. Who know and show him, and so I go. You understand how you feel. Yeah, man. But we real, you know. When you have a heart and have a stomach, you carry, man, you know. Yeah, man. You know, your foot have to say it. Yeah, man. Enough more man have to say. Maybe me say it and me not see it. Yeah, man. Because when you stand my car, man, them, you know, enough time in a year. So I'm like a talk something, you know. You can talk bad or you can talk good. Stand my car in the same way. That can either build him or break him. Yeah, man. Depends on the kind of publicity you want still. So, people, big up yourself, man. Yeah, man. Just big up to Buju Banton, man. In the US, you know. And he want them thing and enjoy himself. Take care of himself and he can get over some things that go on with him. Because youth end up in a spot. Just imagine a spot. Just put yourself in the shoes when in that spot they catch him. Yeah. Not to want to rally upon it that. I know say that is a spot. When I really want to go, it can't really be a dark spot to him. So, who say, no father give me light. Yeah, man. Can the light him get, man. Take him out of that dark spot. Never can tell. My father and him can tell. Yeah. It's my time. Some things happen. Not even know it happen. Not even know how to do it. But it really happen. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, it happen, man. So, good one in visa thing. Big up yourself. Me happy for you. Glad for you. Yeah, man. Give praises, you know, to the Most High. Yeah, man. Trust in my Father God all the time. You know what I'm feel. All them people that we are born him out. Yeah, man. Believe, man. Yeah. Because on another side, people do all kind of things more time. Forget it. Make it happen. And some man didn't think I don't know and get it. And do some crazy things more time to make it happen. Be real. I can't do crazy things. But we don't know. Not until peeps. Yeah. You can know. Say Ray, if you look upon him as that. Yeah. When you look upon him as that, you can just look upon him as that and know say that and still be free. Now cast no judgment. Because I see him kind of judgment where you dry, you can drop your foot. So we'll all see and therefore judgment to Father. So when Father drop in judgment, we'll all know. So one thing you have to do is to the judgment. And just want life. Yeah, man. When you're alive, everything will be great. So, know that him all say when him in prison for this long time overstay. Yeah, man. So life. Yeah. That man been through some deep things, brother. So, if him get it clean, him a get him shine, him deserve him shine all the way. Yeah, man. Shine like his son, the boss. Yeah, man. Shine like his son all the time. Cause, you're gone, Them shine the way I get it. Nah, go see it. Leave it. You say when you're gone, and the real thing start, you nah go see it. So enjoy yourself, man. Pick up yourself. Yeah, man. One of it. Big up DJ Khaled too. Cause if him the behind enough man things, and I stand behind them and I give them strength. The right way, the clean way. You deserve a big up. In a business, you don't know how. But this is my part of me I say, as me say, my opinion, every man have a different opinion, every man have a different thing and a different view. So dress up yourself, my people. Just look out for Buju in our state and big him up. Big up on the killer same way. And Sizzler, Shabba Ranks, Sean Paul, and them artists that we are do it for it. Members of them do it for it. Yeah, man. Do it for it. Code too. Yeah. Oh. So, people, best up on yourself always. We catch up on another one. Talk about another artist. Yeah, man. Clean way and the right way. My views might not be your views. So, check your views and think about your views. It might be sweeter than my views. So, bless up yourself. Always. One love.